Yeah. Original Fortune in one time for your mind. Okay. We do it like this.
Rock that shit, man.
Yeah. It's like this. Yo, you got locked in, lion march to crossfire. So you drop toxins, watch the world spin lopsided. Who else feel they got that? Got wired to fear hell. Got fear and scared of living, scared to death of failing heaven as well. That's the type of shit that's crept in your cells. I use that word advisedly. They fucked you, to put it nicely. It's routine, the screen spoon feeds you nightly. Enough to feed the dreams of what tomorrow might be. See, how could I be sitting idle like it's nothing to do? It's something primal. We get on the mic, kick some sort of voodoo. Just don't read it like I'm stepping to you. I ain't obligated to battle, I ain't a real MC, and so be it. See, I'm trying to pass the apple, the one I should've never ate, the one that stunts potential as chemicals to demonstrate. Flood your bloodstream, one shot, make you levitate. I'm only 20, but my mind feels older. That ain't cool and I ain't buying what they say to console ya. Time will tell me so far what time told ya. That's why you rolled up, half dead, swallow pills too. Kill time as best you can until time kills you. Biggie sang you nobody till somebody kills you. 2 weeks later, Puffy's Ghost Rider pens the tribute, saying that we missed you. Now that shit rings true, at least half true. As it rings in my head, I look at the wall and realize all our heroes are dead. Or is it instead? Now fuck it, better left unsaid. Every day it's like I fell out the wrong side of my bed, but I feel alright when the bass runs rare. Take one step forward, dig 2 feet deeper, so in 2 more steps you gon' be beneath us. In that case, gotta breach procedure. While you're here, live for the day, fuck the zookeeper. I'm looking at the stars like, can you see us? One intelligent life form to build rockets and reach us. Cause with your eyes open, this planet is kinda lonely. Might call it home, but I ain't really got that many homies. So each verse gets deeper, this verse best kept secret. We keep it low key. What's the need? Let the sleepy head sleep. With the mouth full of gold teeth, talk is still cheap. You gotta dig deep if you wanna keep up with us. Original Fortune, that's what's up. Yo, it's been a long while, but now they all with me. Original Fortune, Nicky Fear, Mike Virtue, Phonic, it's all city.
Just another helpless